Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features available on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access General Management and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. As you can see, some smart typing options are over here. In order to access even more, scroll down and tap on More Typing Options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!